Look, even though I lost $1,300, I pretty much accepted that, but the way I lost my next deposit really made me angry. The reason for it is because it was a very stupid mistake on my side, of course, and what makes it even worse is that it was 100% preventable. So now, since I have a really low budget for extra spending, right? I just deposited another $100 for the total account balance of $119. And originally I didn't even plan to trade for that money because obviously it was very low. But then again I figured, hey, I can trade some micro minis, for example. So because for the Micro E-Mini Dow 50, the minimum daily margin requirement is only $50, I have about $70 to trade, right? So I did initial few trades using this instrument, and actually I got some profit. So the balance at that point was about $180. Now after that I decided to jump to something even higher. So I made one trade in the Micro E-Mini Nasdaq 100. Obviously just trading one micro contract because that's what my account allowed me to do. And I got some profit again. So at this point the account balance was like $198 or so. And everything was going actually pretty well. Then I entered another short position in Micro Nasdaq again, and just short 3 minutes later, I actually got $39 in profit. After that happened, I just waited 2 minutes to make sure that the trade is going the same direction. And after I got my confirmation, I basically entered the short position again. And it turned out to be actually a good decision, because I got profit again, this time $33. Now here is where the problem comes. You see, I was trading very tired. It was late at night. Actually, it was about 3 a.m., so I was extremely exhausted. And if I would just close that trading up for that day, or at least until the morning, it would be a really good profit day for me. But guess what? I didn't do that. Actually, silly me, I entered another position, and when that trade started to go against me, because keep in mind I bought it in long, I closed that trade and went to sleep. Or that's what I thought I did. But in reality, I never closed that trade, and while I was sleeping, that trade went down and down until finally it got all the way to $194 loss, or drawdown if you will. And because it also blew through the $100 margin requirement, my account was fully liquidated, leaving me with zero balance. So if you're new to trading, make sure to trade only when you're well rested, you are also in good emotional state, and please only trade if you're 100% focused. Otherwise you can make the same mistake I did, lose your hard-earned money, and you definitely don't want to do that. Alright guys, this is it for this video, but make sure to check this video next. There is some good info in it too, and as always, thank you for watching.